For the determination of colony counts, choose a plate with well-isolated colonies, for example, the most diluted one from tube number 3. To calculate for cell density, count the number of colonies in plates with 30 to 300 colonies and compute based on the following formula. CFU per ml is equal to the average number of colonies multiplied by the dilution factor, and then divided by the volume plated in ml. How do we compute for the dilution factor? Dilution factor is equal to the final volume divided by the aliquot volume. In our example, or in this exercise, we have 3 tubes containing 9 ml each, and then we added 1 ml of our suspension. Therefore, for the first tube, our final volume will be 10 and the aliquot volume is 1. And then transferred another 1 ml to the succeeding tube through serial dilution. The first tube will have a dilution of 1:10. Another way of writing dilution is 1:10, and our dilution factor will be 10. To make it simple, dilution factor is also the reciprocal of dilution. Now for the tube 2, since it is performed through serial dilution, we have to multiply the dilution by 1:10 multiplied by 1:10 is equal to 1:100. So the tube 2 has a 1:100 dilution, and its dilution factor would be 100. The same with tube 3. Multiply it again by another 1:10 dilution. Therefore, the tube 3 will have a 1:1000 dilution, and the dilution factor will be 1000. If you are going to use your tube 3 for the calculation, your dilution factor would be 1000. Let's say you have counted 10 colonies in plate number 3. So the computation will be 10, because these are your counted colonies, multiplied by 1000, because this is the dilution factor from tube number 3, divided by the volume plated in ml, which is 1 ml. So the answer would be 10,000 CFU per ml. If you have colonies greater than 300 per plate, no need to count for each colonies, but you can just label it as TNTC or too numerous to count. So that's all again for today. Thank you.